At Ryder, we're pushing the boundaries of contract packaging. Whether you're an established or emerging brand, our contract packaging solutions maximize quality while minimizing disruptions. From kitting to custom package assembly, product development, production sample packaging, repacking, display design, and engineering, we offer top-tier services using cutting-edge machinery. We cover all your fulfillment needs from start to finish, with comprehensive services like product sourcing, blending, mixing, and warehousing and distribution, ensuring optimal quality in every batch to showcase your brand.
Here at Ryder, we build our quality into our product, so it's not a lagging indicator, it's a leading indicator. So it starts with the design of the package and how do we do it in a right way from a quality perspective to be able to get it to the storefront with speed. We have everything from bringing raw materials just in time, slotting them to make them easier for our robots or people to be able to pick them up quicker, bringing them to the production line and get them out the door. So what used to take million-square-foot buildings, now we can do in a 100,000-square-foot building and really bring the product in and get it shipped to either direct to the consumer, direct to the business, or any outside retailer.
With strategically placed facilities across North America, we pride ourselves on customer-centric service, speed to market, and real-time accessibility from coast to coast. We manage over 1,800 unique products from various industries, spanning 2.3 million square feet of warehouse space, all while ensuring that our state-of-the-art facilities adhere to the highest level of manufacturing and packaging practices with a wide range of key certifications. Visit Ryder.com to transform your co-packaging process and make your business ever better.